Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dave in South Carolina on this Galaxie DX959B. Dave got it fixed up for you, bud. Tune alignment, as well as reinstalled the limiter that was removed, and also the swing mod I showed you that they did to it. Took care of that. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. 1 watt per your request. 5 watts all the way up. Go over here to 50-watt slug. Average power. Low. 14 bird. Peak power. Low. About 28 peak. Let's go over here to sideband. I know that was something you were said was really low on it. 50-watt slug. Hello. 26 on sideband. Alrighty, my friends, ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsays@gmail.com. Bump bump.